Okay, next after this, create next file, table2.html, table2.html in same folder. HTML folder, we can create a file, table2.html. Table2.html. Oh, you have made yesterday, right? Then it should be table 3. Table 3 we need to make. Table3.html. Table 3. Next, HTML open close. We can follow body tag. Then we can use what the light here. You are visible. What is visible? Yes. Then we can write here a table. We can use here border 1 pixel and border color also. Border color red color. Border color is a red color. Border equal to 1, border color equal to red. Next, after that, cell padding equal to 0. Okay, cell padding will give later. Right, first align equal to center so that it should print in the middle. Cell padding also you give. Cell padding from 10 is fine. Cell padding 10 will be okay. Okay, so this table is open and close. Next, after that, you can use again caption tag. Again, follow H1 or H2, anything. Customer list. Customer list. So in that, write again here, provide the heading on the beginning. Cell padding 10 you can write. TH. Serial number. Next TH. Full name. Next TH. Mobile number. Next TH. From city. Next TH. Product what he purchased. Next TH. Price of that. And product after that quantity also. Quantity and then price. Serial number, name, mobile, city, product quantity and price. So 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 TH we have added. Based on this, very good, we can apply the call span and row span. We will understand properly. So first customer have all the details. So we can write one TR where first customer has provided all the information. None of the field is missing. Okay, so hope your TR is ready. Border color is a new property that is not exist in the Notepad++ library. Because of that, it is coming in white color, but it will work. If property is not exist under the library, then it will come in different color. Border color, right? Shape now. It should work. TR you can write. TR will have a TD 01 full name. Next TD, some name right. After that, next TD, mobile number, anything you can write. Next TD, city. Next TD, product. He has purchased one laptop. Quantity is 1. Quantity is 1. Price is RS 35,000. Okay, so that is one product, one customer details. Okay, so you will see one customer will come with all the information, something like this. Border will come double line. You are given the border equal to 1, but line is coming double line. We have option, we can remove the double line, we can keep the single line border also. So first to add one TR, we will check once. All the details of one customer should appear. Now to make this double line border as a single line, you have one property here. Cell padding we have already used. We have one more property called cell spacing. Cell spacing, if you keep 0, cell spacing if you keep 0, then border will be single line. Almost all the places it will look single line border. Cell spacing 0. Cell spacing 0. Cell spacing 0, making single line border. Some places will look double line on the top and last, but that minor point will get removed by CSS. Using HTML, you can do this much. Okay, so it is looks something like this. Everything in the single line. Okay. Next customer is in such a way he has not mentioned his city name. He has purchased the product, but his city name is not mentioned. In that case, how we can display his details? Okay. So looking similar or something else? Similar? Let's go ahead. Next year. A customer you have, that customer has not given his city name. Okay. So one column is missing for the second customer. How we can display that? Let's go TD open close. Second year 02. Next TD Mahesh. Next TD next TD city name is not given by user. Assume like is empty. What product he has purchased? He has purchased called keyboard. Quantity is 1. Price is rupees 800. Okay, so you can see now. You can see one TD is missing. That is called city. Correct? Similar. Now there is a two option. Option number 1, you can leave this TD as empty. Then it will look like this. Option number 2, these two columns can combine together. Mobile number as well as city. So to combine both together, right, there can be two solutions for this. If city is missing, then particular TD you leave empty. It will say yes, data is not there. One option. Option number 2, instead of leaving as empty, we will ask the mobile number to take the place of next TD also. Okay, so in that case, we have to combine the space of both the columns. So how to combine? We can go to the page. You can go to the page and first you delete this empty TD. First you delete the empty TD. Empty TD we can delete. After deleting the empty TD, you will find the page will become mismatched. The record will be mismatched. Price will go in front of something and product will go in front of something. Let us see here how it is. You can see product went to the city and quantity went to the product, correct? So at this moment, the mobile number will be responsible to take the place of itself as well as next column. How it will be? We have to use a property called call span. Call span equal to how much? One column is missing and one is the current column. We have to give 2 so that current TD will take the place of current TD as well as same TD will take the place of next TD. So there will be call span 2. You can write it and try once. Call span 2. Something like this. 2 columns got combined together. Let's check once. TR number 2. Hope it should look similar. To combine the space, we use the call span. Okay. So call span should be give call span 1 and then check. Definition is also written. Call span used to combine the space of how many columns? 2 or more. For 1 there is no need of call span. When we should use every time when we have 2 columns, then only we'll use the call span. So what is the logic? One column was missing, right? One column was missing, and the space of one column you wanted to give to the other column. So this is the mobile number already exists. It has already one space, a space of 1 TD, one column. Now you want to combine along with it one more column. So one is this one and one is the missing one. So total will become 2. Then only it will fit. Call span 1 will not fit plus no need to write call span 1. By default for one column call span 1 is there. More than 1 if you want to combine the space then only need to write it. Okay. Now then we will say why we have not used for the keyboard, why we use for the mobile number. Because call span you should apply for the first occurrence, not for the second occurrence. Suppose this one is missing, city is missing. So before city, which column exists? That is called your mobile. So mobile will be responsible to take the place of next column. Now if I cut from here, if I write keyboard, then also it should work. But solution will be wrong solution. Let me see what is happening now. Okay, combined 2 column, but the problem is product is coming in front of the city. Now we have to write in this TD again, align right, then only it will come here. Okay, if the data is more, then again it will mislead to the user. So that we should write the call span for the first occurrence, not for the second occurrence. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next, let's go ahead. We'll create one more TR. There we will understand if a user has missed out, maybe product. If he has not purchased any product, then definitely quantity will not come. And quantity, if product is not there, quantity is not there, then also price will not come. So at this place, you have to combine the space of 3. 3 will be missing. If 3 are missing, then this 3 missing column will be assigned to the before occurrence. So before what will come? City will come, correct? So city will be responsible to take the place of remaining all. That will be called as a call span 4. Okay. 3rd year. We'll come to know. Let's write the 3rd year. This logic is required. Why? Because when you are working on the project, right? If your application, definitely it will be web application, then you have to design different type of invoice bill copy. You have to download the bill. You have to make application where it should automatically calculate the some kind of offer, some kind of discount, some kind of something, and then it should make something where it should show these two product is same price and the quantity is same, so the total is this much, right? The one solution, one option. Another option is when you are working on web application, right? You have experience already. When you log into your Gmail, you will see a lot of email will come from the Myntra, email will come from Common Floor, email will come from the Flipkart. Email comes inside that photos will be there, no? Well organized content, right? That is called newsletter template. That is called a newsletter template. Okay. So when we design the newsletter template to send on the email, or suppose you are purchasing something online bill copy will come, right? So those all are called as a newsletter template. So while creating the newsletter template, we have to use the which one? Table only. Table as well as CSS, but inline CSS. Any kind of newsletter you create, there you have to do. Like suppose your company working with the Google have called advertisement platform. Now your company is working for the creating the advertisement kind of a template. When you open the W3 or different website, you see advertisement will come, very good. Ads will come in the website. Those are also templates only. Okay, so those templates come from the Google, but Google will not sit and design the template. They'll give the tender to different company, mid-level small companies. So those kind of company will hire you. They will ask you, okay, design the templates. Different requirement will come. You have to design different design of templates. Okay, those templates will be through what? HTML, CSS will be there. In HTML most of the time, not most of the time. Guarantee everyone use the table tags, especially for newsletter template. Okay, come inside so that this row span, call span will be much helpful. Okay, you will be using frequently. TD 03, customer has given their details. Like suppose any name you can write. Next, after that, he has his phone number. Anything I'm writing, just 333. Next, we are writing call. He has purchased one headset. Not headset. He is from different city called Delhi. Okay, and after that, so he has given the name, mobile number, and location. but after that he has not purchased any product still, and his product is not purchased, the quantity is not confirmed, quantity is not performed, then definitely price will also not. So next, after this, how many are missing? Right? We can check once. It's missing with the product, price, and quantity. So a space of three column, a space of three column. Now how you will combine? A space of three column, you have to give to the before occurrence. So three column is missing. Now before what is that? One column is there, that is called city. Correct? So city will be responsible to take the place of remaining all. Okay. So how many are missing? Three. And one will be the current one. Current one. So total will be four column. So you will write here call span equal to 4. Then it will fit properly. It will look like okay, the city is covering the remaining odd area. Okay, so we made it. Next, after this, check once. It will cover the pool space. Okay, remaining all the columns will get combined together. Right? Next, after that, we will we will add the third column, fourth user. Correspond is clear. How many columns are missing? That number of missing column you will add in the correspond just before that. Okay. Now let us see. Next user we have. That is a user number 4. Okay. His mobile number and user number 3 mobile number is same. The mobile number of user number 3 and user number 4 is same. So what will happen? Like suppose both are brother, both have given the same number to somewhere. So what will happen? 3 you will display here. And again same 3 you will display here. Again record will be duplicate. Correct? So in that case, row span will help us. Row span will say, since both users are no, both user, brother or sister, leave that. Both user are coming one after other. And for both the entity, one particular attribute is same. Okay. So two user and which attribute? Mobile attribute having the same value. So why to display two times? Display only one time in such a way that should represent to both. So in that case, you will use the row span and you will display mobile number one time, but it will reflect for both the users. Okay, so how it will be? Let's go. So first write one TR. Write one TR. Inside that you follow one TD and write 04 as well as any name you can write. Next, after that, what we have? Mobile number is similar. Yes. Correct. Mobile number is similar. Let me write first. Okay. Then later we can remove duplicate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now this user had purchased a product that is called mouse. Okay. This user has purchased a product that is called mouse, and definitely this user belong to Delhi only. Correct. Delhi only. Then only both are the brother. Right. Next, after that, what else we have? Oh, we made some changes, right? First will be Delhi. Then second will be mouse. That is a product. Okay. Mouse from the Dell. Next, after that, what will come? Price will come. rupees 500. Next, after that, what will come? Quantity will come, like 1. So, indirectly, user number 4 have everything. Okay, user number 4 have everything, but the mobile number is same. Okay, mobile number is same. So, same number will reflect for user number 3. Same number again you are writing for user number 4. So, instead of doing that, why can't we apply some other feature so that duplicate record will get removed? Noted? User number 4. Check now. User number 4 have everything. Right. User number 4. Okay. I made mistake again. What is that? First should be quantity and second should be price. Quantity and then price. Quantity and price. So user number 4 have all the details, right? But the mobile number is same. City is also same. But city, we need to think how we can combine the city of this user and city of this user. Because already here you have used the call span. How many? 4, correct? If you use row span, then don't know whether it will get collapsed or something else. So let's talk for this. First, mobile number combine. Okay. So now mobile number of third user, mobile number of fourth user, both are same. Same in this case, again, you should not apply the row span for the second occurrence. You should apply the row span for the first occurrence. So which user is first? 3, correct? Third one is 3, their mobile number, and fourth one mobile number is same, correct? So you will be writing for the user number 3. For user number 3, you will write a row span. How much? 2, because you wanted to combine the space of current as well as next. So row span 2 you write. If you run now, you will feel little column count mismatch will happen. Row span 2 you write and then look at column count mismatch happen. One column is going outside. Which one? Mobile number or price? 500. 500 will go outside. 500 will go outside. Now see how it is going outside. In the row number 3, you have a mobile number. For that, you are saying like take the place in the next row also. So this mobile number 333 will take the place in the next row. Now in the next row, still mobile number is exist. So that will become one extra. So it will go outside. No, that will be there only. The last one will push out. Okay, it will be shifted out. You can see. See here, mobile number will be there only, but you can see this price will go outside. You have to delete from here. Because already mobile number we have already in the beginning. There we said row span 2. You be here also as well as take the place in the next also. So you need to delete this. And then check. Matching. Okay. Row span used to combine the space of 2 or more row. Call span used to combine the space of 2 or more columns. Correct? Okay. Now, hope your page is working. Let me know in chat. Might be some people have made some mistake. Okay. Good then. The expectation is after fourth class, after attending fifth class, you should do something. You should do something. If you are able to do, then you are on the track. Okay. So after today, I'll give you 10 photos. In that, 5 photos are simple. Okay. Somehow you can create. No problem. 5 photos are little difficult. So that after, but once first you create the first 5 photo, automatically you will be able to create the next 5 photos. Okay. Okay. All are based on row span, col span, row span, col span. Okay, so very good. For most of the people, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people replied, but 1, 2 people have not replied. Let me know. You should try it, okay? Likhiye aap. Writing will be the best solution. Little here, there, no problem. If some mistake is happening, then only you will get the correction. Now, if you will not write, mistake will not happen. Definitely will not get solution. Likhiye, try कीजिए. Please write it. Okay, so next we are going for the user number 5. In user number 5, we have a scenario. The product of user number 4 is what? Dell mouse. Their price is 500. And the product of user number 5 will be something else. Quantity will be something else. But the total price is same. Total price how much we have? 500. User number 5 is going to purchase a product. The product quantity will be 5. And total price will be 500 only. So what will happen? The last column of user number 4 and last column of user number 5 will be same value. So what you have to do? Row span or col span? After writing will come to know, okay? If you are not connecting properly, let's write it. Then we'll come to know. So user number 5 have all the details. User number 5 have all the details. User number 5 have all the details. Okay. Something, any name you can give, no problem. And his mobile number is something else. Okay. Next, after that, next TD says he is from Bangalore only. Okay. He has purchased a product that is called something notebook. Notebook. Then after that, next total quantity is 5. Quantity is 5. And then after that, total price also come rupees 500. Rupees 500. Or shall we do something like this? Okay, let's keep 600. Let's keep unmatched. So this user number 5, everything is unique. Let it be. But the price of user number 5 and the price of user number 6 will be same. Okay. The price of user number 5 and user number 6 will be same. So let's give different price for user number 5. User number 5 is given here. So everything is unique. No call span, no row span. Okay. User number 6 is in such a way, his total price and the 5 user total price is same. Write the TR number 6. In TR number 6, you have a TD. 06 next TD. Okay, next TD. Next TD. Next TD. He purchased the React book. And then quantity is only one. After that, total price is rupees 600. Now in this row number 5, row number 6, you need to do R&D. Row number 5, row number 6, you need to do R&D. And which column you will combine based on col span or row span. Okay. Yet now user number 6 is written. See, the price is same. Quantity is different, that you can't combine. Item is different, city is different, mobile number, name, all are different. Only one is same, that is called price. So for that, user number 5 is the first occurrence, correct? So in user number 5, we have a TD 600. Here we can write row span equal to 2 will come. So that will take the place of TR number 5, and the same will take the place in the TR number 6, correct? TR number 6. You can comment also. You can just select the last TD, and after selecting the last TD, if you do the right click, after selecting the last TD, if you do the right click, you will get an option of block comment. Third last option is called a block comment. Right, block comment. If you select that, the last TD will be commented out. It will get comment. That represents this line your browser will not read. This line become useless for the browser. Browser will ignore this line. This line will not come in the browser. Okay, this line will be only for the developer. Developer will understand, oh, this line is commented. You can delete also, comment also, your wish. Save the file and check once. The 600 rupees of the user number 5 and 600 rupees of the user number 6 should display only one time. Here, coming up, yeah, wait, I'm going to add at this list, like a row span, here, and then on the last sentence. So it's trying to here the value is square, TD, remove that, remove the last TD. Right? So mining. We got some idea based on row span and col span. That is that is practice through HTML. Okay. This is single line only just to managing purpose, not to make complete as see here. Last two line is there, no? For me also double line is there. That you can't remove here as of now. See, if I go very small, normal 100%, then it will not be visible. It's still visible here, right? Less than that or more than that, I have made little big side, right? So hope till here we have done. Now we need to add one column in such a way that column will represent these all 6 customers has purchased the product on the same date. This all the 6 customer have purchased the product on the same date. So there should be a column called purchase date, and for everyone the date should be same. So what will be the logic? First we have to add one TH, purchase date. After that we have to add one TD, today date maybe. And for that TD, what will be the row span? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Depending on number of rows how many you have. So total 6 customers we have. So there will be row span called 6. Like see here, you are using no. Okay, I have not refreshed the page. Here you are using row span how many? 2. Now suppose same 600, if you want to display for all the users, then you have to write row span 6. Now instead of modifying here, we will add one column called purchase date, and for purchase date we'll add one TD for the first user, and that TD will have row span 6. And in that, which date you want to fill that? That is the one condition. Second condition will be there. These all the products, customer has purchased 6 customer, 3 customer has purchased the product from one shop, and 3 customer have purchased the product from second shop. First 3 from the one shop and last 3 from the another shop. That is also exercise of row span. Okay. Okay. So let's come to the code now. First you go to your first TR and add one more TH in the last called purchase date. Add one more TH in the last called purchase date. Not running. So here what we wrote, here you have to add one row span. Row span 2. I can write here row span 2. Row span 2. So this is our then same to the row. That's what this 5 lines and in the row. The 5 line row is this now. After class only I'll send you. Or other option is there. You can also log in the Zoom here itself in the laptop, and then maybe if particular line is missed out, I'll share the code. Or maybe after writing the code, I'll share the code directly in the Zoom. In case not happening, then no problem. After class, we can go. Amen. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the first TR. In the first TR where you have written the TH, add one more column in the last, TH called purchase date. Purchase, PURCHAGE, right? Purchase date. SE, last SE. Okay. Purchase date, right? Inside the purchase date, now purchase date for all the customers are same. So you have to add one TD for the first user, and then the row span will be total number of how many rows you have, how many cells happen that, and we can keep the date correct? Some date you can add this way. Now this particular date will be visible for all the customers. Particular date will be visible for all the customers.
So tomorrow I want to make it.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, date 9th will be how to.
A date, that is any date you can put, that is not a matter of today date. It can be any date, no? We wanted to understand how ROS1 work. So like suppose this date will be visible to how many? Here, visible to all. So it will say this all the data, this all the cells happen on the particular date, one particular date only. Come in the middle. Right? Now this TD is coming in the middle, correct? So we have seen one property called align, left, right, center. Only center you have written, you can write right also it will work. Okay, we have one more property called V align. That is called vertical align. So in HTML, property name is called V align. And in the CSS, property name is vertical hyphen align. Okay, vertical align. So for that, there is a 3 value. One is called top. Another one is called middle. Next is called bottom. Okay, so where it is coming now by default? Date where it is coming? In the middle. So that is by default property. Okay, by default V align is middle. So if the any record display inside one TH or TD, it display by default in the middle only. Okay, we have option if you want to make on the top also possible. If you want to display in the bottom, that also possible. What I'm talking about is this one. This is out of entire height where it is. It is in the middle, no? Exact after third and complete before fourth in the middle line. That is called a vertical align middle. If you want to display this one in the last, then we have to write V align bottom, or we have to write V align top. If you not write anything, by default V align will be middle. Okay, so that we can write here in the TD. V align equal to top, bottom, middle. So you can write BO bottom. V align bottom. TD by default will come in the left only. We can write here align center. It will come in the middle. Align property is applicable for TR also, TD also, TH also. Okay. V align is applicable for TR, TH and TD. If you want your all the TD should start from beginning, it should print from beginning. Then for TR level you can write V align top. So inside the TR, all the TD will print from the beginning. If you want a specific TD should print in the beginning or middle or last, then you can use this property called V align. Okay, and for V align, how many values? 3. Top, middle, and bottom. Okay, let's see bottom is coming or not. Bottom is coming, right? So we can place either top also, middle also, bottom, anywhere. Okay. V align, V align. Okay. Now next condition is for you. Okay, that you have to try. What is that? First, you need to add one th called store. Okay, add a th called store. Store name. Store name. Okay, store name. Add a th called store name. Add a th called store name. Next, after that, first 3 customer has purchased from store 1 and last 3 customer has purchased from store 2. Okay. So what is that? A store name you added. Now suppose Ganesh, Mahesh, Girish purchase from the Marathali store And then Govinda, Rajkumar and Anil purchased from the Silk Board store. So what to do? How many TD need to add? These three users purchased from one store. That
Two
is
TD.
Marathali. And last three users purchased from another store. That is called Silk Board. So how many TD? 2 TD. First TD in the first row span 3. Correct? Second TD in the fourth row span 3. Correct? Try कीजिए. Try it. Right. Okay. First three user purchase from the Marathali store. Second three user purchase from the Silk Board store. You can write it. After that, even I'll also write. You can compare it. If working for you, then very good. Working, you can take the help from my example. Working? So we have added 1 TD for the first row and 1 TD for the fourth row. The 1 TD you have added for the first row, that will take the place of first 3. Second TD you have added in the fourth row, that will take the place of last 3. Okay, let me add and let's have a look. So in the first row, I will add 1 TD. I'll add a TD saying like row span equal to 3, and we can write here called Marathali. Next, we'll go to the directly fourth row. So add this line. In the first row, add one. That will represent till where? 3 rows. First, second, third is showing. Next, after that, go for the fourth row. Go for the fourth row and add one more similar TD. We can go to the fourth row and we can add one more TD. In the fourth row, you can add one more TD in the last. Silk board. Okay. Now you will see it look like this. First 3 user purchase the product from the Marathali store. Last 3 user purchase the product from the Silk Board store, but the purchase date is same. Now I hope row span and call span came in mind. After looking into photo, you can decide something. After looking into the photo, we can decide something, no? In that, you have to write your own HTML start, end, table, head, body, anything, whatever you want. Okay. Let me show you one photo and ask from you. Okay. Suppose I will go to the internet. So everyone have added? Yes, no? First user, first customer, you will add one TD, row span 3, Marathali. First row, First TR, that is called Ganesh. You will add a TD, row span 3. So it will take the 3 rows, 3 TR. Next, after that, since it will take 3 TR, so first TR, second TR, third TR, you don't need to do anything. Go to the fourth TR, and in the fourth TR, you add one more TD, and then write again as a row span 3. So this will take next 3 columns, next 3 rows. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the next point. Next point. Let me take one photo from internet. Table, row span and call span. Row span and call span. Then where to go? Let's go to this one. This photo is visible. That let's come to here. This one. This should be much visible. This one. Oh, it's going somewhere. We should not go to someone else's website. Google is okay. So look at here now. In this you can see this is covering how many rows? 1, 2, 3, and then this photo is misleading. We'll go for this one. Okay. Now see, this is covering 2 rows. This is also covering 2 rows, correct? And this is empty, this is empty. So they have given both the option. Okay, we can look into this now. Okay, this one. You can see here call span is 2. Fasting value call span 2, correct? Now here you can see a state of health, row span 2, correct? Okay, very good. Chaliye. Let me come to our website. I will ask you to create the account. Just hold on. I'll log in. I'll show you first something from there. Okay. After logging into our website, we'll have called assignment tab. In assignment tab, you will click on first HTML. By default, HTML only will come. Now let me go to the first photo. Once you click here, automatically it will open new tab, big photo. Okay. Now look at here. How this border is coming? This is border 20 feet right, like this it will come. Okay. So this is covering 2 rows. 2 rows, no? Sorry, 2 columns. 2 columns. Correct. Now this one is covering 2 rows. So here call span 2 and here row span 2. Correct. Let's close this. When I look into the next one, here also we have similar, but it's exchange. Okay, exchange. In the first one, 3 rows, and this is only 1 TD, but taking the place of 3 rows. Correct. Concept is similar, but TD and TR, the position is changed. Okay. Look at the next one. Next one we have again. This is normal three column. Here also. This has the row span again 2. Row span 2. Okay. And in that, Ali physics 75%. Amir physics again 75%. Correct. Okay. So I hope you can create this. Looking into this one. Here we have call span 3 product. Inside that, serial number, P name, and then after that P count. So for pen also, for book also, for dust also, total count is how many? 50. Correct? So there will be row span. That's all. Looking into the next one. Now here is call span 4. Call span 4, right? Call span 4 is there. And after that remaining normal TRTD near TRTD. Okay. When we look into the next one, same photo, what you saw there, no? Health of a state. Now see, a state of health. Similar concept. Row span to call span to. Correct. Call span to row span to. Here we have row span to. Here we have call span to. Okay. So this 5 photo will be today homework. First 5 photo. And even this next second 5 photo is also your homework only. How you will do that up to you. The first, this photo and this photo look similar. So you can ignore one, try anyone. Okay. So 5 photo from here as well as 4 photo from here. In this, some photos are very complicated. When I look into this, when we look into this is nothing but table inside table. Okay, this is a table inside table. For example, row column we have that you are clear already. Now next matter is when you look into this one, row header 1 item. So this is table inside table. Like you have a table. Inside that it will again open the table. TR, TH and you can see again table inside. Inside the table again open.
క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తారు కదా మళ్ళీ అడ్మిట్ చేసుకుంటారు అప్పుడు వెళ్తా అంతే
But table inside table you can't write directly. Table will have a TR and then TD. Under TD we can create again table. Under TR you can't create table. Under the TD you can create the next table. Okay. This 8, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 photo is just for today brainwash, this much is enough. Okay. Now I will give the URL. In this, you need to go to register and create your own account, and you can log in through your account and download your own everything. Okay. So is URL को open कीजिए. infocampus.co.in. Can we open now or you do in home? Internet is required. Okay, so I'll guide you. So up you can write it or let me send you in the group. Okay. We need to open this URL, and after opening this URL, after opening that URL, you need to go here. You need to go to the register. Okay. You need to go to the register. After going to the register, it will ask your name, your mobile number, but mobile number same that you have given to her. Okay. Else anyone can register and download our materials. Mobile number should be same that you have given to her while registering. Okay. While registering, it will check it is there what database in now. If it is there, then only we can register. Else it will say not available in database. So we can write that number. You can write email ID and password. Email ID, give your email ID. Password, you give your mobile number so you can remember easily. Okay. Password, you can give mobile number itself so that you can remember easily. Then you can register. After registering, you can go to the login page. Login from here. After login, page will appear. You will click on assignment tab, and then by default HTML will come. You can click on that and you can continue. Okay. Then he will ask after creating the example how I will submit it and how you will come to know I am doing or not. Correct. We have created a group. So what to do and how to post the assignment, I'll guide you. Like suppose this page you created. Assume you created the page. After creating the page, you run the page and go to your group, WhatsApp group. Run the project where in the browser. On the mobile, go to the WhatsApp, take the photo and post in the group. Okay. Now you can see this photo what I have posted. It will come to everyone. Right. Photo will come there. Right. I'll keep watching who is posting, who is not posting. If any modification, I'll guide you. Okay. I'll guide you. Here use the something. Here use something. You will get idea. So clear. What we need to do? We need to first register here. This URL I'm sending in the group. After opening the URL, you need to register with your given mobile number that you have given here. After registering, you need to log in. After login, click on assignment tab. In assignment tab, you will go to the HTML. Like suppose this is the page 1. So you will create a file assignment1.html. You will have a folder called assignment. Inside that assignment1.html, and page should look like this as a HTML. Border is not coming like this, no matter. The target is to understand this one. Row span and col span. Okay, these images are from internet only, right? So you can make more better look and feel remove the border, reduce the border, but row span, column span should look like this. Okay. Code out in slash LMS. I'm sending in the group. Hold on. In WhatsApp, I'll send you. Okay, you should not feel like I'm not able to do. You try it. Okay. If you try, then definitely you can do it. Okay. You can register, and after that, you can log in and go to the assignment tab from there. Clear? Then every day. Okay, this file I'll send you in the chat.
From beginning to
Today file I'll send in the chat. Last 3 files was there, right? So we need table files only, no? Table 3 files.
from beginning to
But many files will be there. This all.
then see the board and I'll try.
Okay, so I'll send in the compress folder, zip folder. After downloading, you can unzip it, and then you can follow it. Okay, folder is in zip format. You can download in the system and then extract the folder. You will have all the files inside. Okay, then for today, this much is enough. Let's implement it, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be working on table with something else. Table and hyperlink. We'll create some example. We'll get some more idea on different way of implementation of HTML. Then we'll go for the input tag, and we'll combine input output together. Web.whatsapp.com.